Hey guys, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1970 Chevrolet El Camino SS. This car is finished in beautiful Fathom Blue with white stripes. It is the factory color for the car. I do have the build sheet for this car. It is an original 396 car. It has been upgraded to a 454 with a 400 turbo automatic transmission and a 12 bolt. This is a brand new, beautiful car, and we're going to take a look at it. And if you have any questions, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1970 Chevrolet El Camino SS right here in that Fathom Blue. If it gets any better than that, I'd like to see it. It has the white vinyl top with the white stripes. Absolutely gorgeous car right here. And like I said, it has been upgraded to a 454. And it does have the original SS wheels with the BFGoodrich TA tires, and still got the original badging on the car, but absolutely gorgeous frame off restoration. Been very well taken care of. Come out of a beautiful collection, and very, very nice car. All the interiors finished beautifully. It's got nice bucket seats in it, which is very rare for an El Camino. It does have the console. You don't see a lot of El Caminos with bucket seats, but this one right here does have them. And the doors are absolutely perfect on the car. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that interior color. Matches to the outside perfectly. Just doesn't get much better than that. It does have the spare tire, and it is a matching wheel and tire, which you don't see a lot of. So, shut the door here. We'll go on around, and I'll show you the tailgate here. Tailgate all looks good. It has the black SS 396 emblem on the tailgate like it's supposed to. Really, really looks good. Bed is all in great shape, finished beautifully. No nicks or scrapes in the bed. Definitely a show truck right here in the El Camino 1970. But we're going to start it up. My microphone here, and we're going to start it up and see how it sounds. Got a nice stock rumble to it. Really, really sounds good. Hits a little lick. Nice. But take you on around and show you the driver's side of the interior here. Like I said, it does have the nice vinyl top on it. Really, really looks good. Been well taken care of. Does have tilt wheel and the tack in the dash, which is very, very nice. Like I said, I do have the build sheet, and I will show you the build sheet later on in the video if you stick around. It'll be right before we test drive. I'll cut in the build sheet. All the AC has been upgraded to 134A. This is a factory air car, and it was all updated to 134A and works great. Factory air. Oh, forgot to cut it off. Just a second here. Got to talking about the air conditioner. Forgot to cut it off. Shut the door again, and we'll go on around here. Like I said, underneath the hood's powered by a 454, upgraded, power steering, power disc brakes. It does have factory air conditioning on this car, all updated to 134A. Underneath the hood looks perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. Brand new car right here, and it can be yours today. 650 credit score, 10% down, and it can be yours. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available. Like I said, 650 credit score, 10% down. We can get it to you anywhere in the country. But we're going to take this car out for a test drive. I'm going to show you the build sheet first. We're going to take it for a test drive, and then stay tuned. We will show you what it looks like underneath. But stay tuned for that. But we're going to take this car out the road and see how it does. We're going to take this 1970 Chevrolet El Camino for a test drive and see how it goes. Like I said, this car is absolutely brand new. Very, very nice and well done. We're going to take it for a drive and see how it does. Show you everything working on the dash here. There's that side. There's the other side. All the gauges are working properly. Very, very nice car. Runs and drives phenomenally. Can't wait to show it to you here. And it does have that tilt wheel. Get it out of the way of your belly. Or if you don't have a belly, well, good for you. But we're going to take it for a drive and see how it does. I don't think it gets much nicer than this, Dad.
No, it's a great car. And you can put your scooter in the back.
Yeah.
Scooter, go to car show, ride
or pull
around.
a trailer.
Pull a little trailer, whatever you want to do with it, you can do it with this. Put your cooler in the back.
For sure. Go for a cruise and have the sharpest car out.
You got a blue and white Chevrolet. This would be a perfect match.
Yeah, boy.
Sit right next to it. 70 Chevrolet, blue and white.
Car really runs and drives good, shifts through all the gears the right way, doesn't pull to the left or the right any. Just really, really, really nice.
664 miles since the frame off.
Yes. So, nice radio as well. If you'd like to see that working, just give me a call. I'll be glad to get you a video over of it. We're going to turn around and head back here. And like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit. And we'll see what this El Camino's made of.
Barking a little tired.
Uh-oh.
Runs out great. Plenty of power.
Yeah, shifts good. Just really, really, really nice. And like I say a lot of times with our cars, the only thing you'll have to do is get you a big shelf for all the trophies that you win at the car show with this, because it's that nice and it is beautiful. We are almost back here, and like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. It helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Or on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com, and we'll see you next time. And here's that underneath video, and we're going to show you it right now. Here's that underneath.